Hello guys, welcome to Cubing Minds. So today I'm going to teach you the Ortega method. So which we used on the 2x2. So by using this method you can be sub 5 seconds on the 2x2. So let's get started. So let me first show you how the Ortega method works. First you should solve a color, find a color on the cube and that is mostly solved and finish off that color. Don't align all the pieces on that color and finish off that layer, just align the color. So it would look like this. See, I solved the color but not the whole layer, white layer. And do one of the 7 algorithms of the OLL cases for the top layer to make align all the corners on the top layer. And then do one algorithm from the 3 PBL cases to solve the cube. So it would look like this. So if you learn the beginner's method, you would know how to solve one layer or one color on the cube. So I will not be focusing on how to make the layer or color on the cube. I will just be focusing on what are those OLL algorithms for them, finger tricks for them, and the 3 PBL cases. PBL stands for permeate both layers. That is, we are permeating the both layers and solving the whole cube. So when you finish one layer, there are 7 cases which you can get on the top layer. The first one is this case where 2 pieces point out one side and the other 2 point in the other directions like this, opposite directions, and 1 and 2 are adjacent to each other and point in the same direction. Then you do this algorithm, do the F front move and do the right hand move that I taught you in my last video, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then do it 2 times and then do F prime. So you would align all the pieces on the top layer. So the second case is this case which we call as the soon, where one piece is solved and the one piece, when you hold it on the front, when you hold the solved piece on your front left, the other yellow piece point towards you. So to solve this case, you have the algorithm. The algorithm goes like this: do a R, U, R prime and U, and then insert that corner piece to here. So faster would look like this. So the next case is the anti-soon case, which is the opposite of the soon. In the soon, when we are holding the solved corner piece on your front left, the yellow piece would be pointing out to you. But in the anti-soon, when you are holding solved corner piece on the front left, the yellow piece would be in the back layer and pointing to the left. So when you get this case, you hold it on you hold the yellow piece that is pointing to the left on your front right and do this algorithm and hold it like this and do this algorithm. The algorithm goes like this: R, U2, R prime, U prime, and then insert this corner piece to here with these moves: R, U prime, R prime. So you align the top layer. So faster would look like this. So the next case is this case where you have 2 corner pieces solved and they are opposite to each other like this, and other 2 are pointing out like this, one in to your front and one is to your right. Then hold this case like this and do an X from this position. So you are holding the bottom color which you solved on your front and do this the algorithm goes like this: R prime, U, and R, D prime, R prime, U prime, R, D. See, the top layer is solved. So faster would look like this. So the next case is this case where you have 2 adjacent pieces solved and the other 2 pieces are pointing in the opposite directions. Then do this algorithm. First do the right hand algorithm, RU, R prime, U prime, and then do R prime, F, R and F prime. So you have aligned the top layer. So fast would look like this. So the next case is this, where you have two adjacent pieces solved and the other two pieces are opposite to them, pointing out in the same direction. So when you get this case, hold the case like this, the solved pieces on your back. So R2, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime. The top layer is aligned. So faster would look like this. So the last case is this, where you have all the pieces unsolved and two pieces are pointing in the backs to your back side and the other two are pointing to the opposite side. Then you hold the case like this and do this AL. There are two ALs for this, I will say them. So the first AL goes like this. Do the F and do the right hand algorithm that I taught you for 3 times. So RU, R prime, U prime for 3 times. And then do an F prime. The top layer is aligned. And the second AL for this case is hold them like this and do an R, U2, R prime, U prime, and then do an R, and then again U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So faster would look like this. So the next we are going to be talking about the PBL cases, that is the permeate both layer cases. There are 3 cases in the PBL. So the first case is in this case, where we have bar on the top layer and the bottom layer, then hold the 2 bars on your front and do this algorithm. The algorithm goes like this. You have to regrip and do R2, U prime, B2 and U2, and do an R2, U prime, R2. The whole cube is solved. So faster would look like this. So the second case is where we have no bars on the top layer, either on the top layer nor the bottom layer. So then you do this AL, just do an R2, F2 and then again an R2. So everything is solved. Then you align the top layer. So fast would look like this. So the next and the last case of the PBL cases is this case where you have a bar on the top layer or the bottom layer. So hold the bar on your top front and do this AL. The algorithm goes like this: R, U prime, R, F2, R, U, R. So that is solved. So faster would look like this. So there are additional cases which are called PLLs that occur only on the top layer, and when the bottom layer is full solved, they will be on the top layer. So when you have a bar only, when the bottom layer is whole solved and you have a bar like this on the top layer and the 2 pieces are not solved, then do this AL. The algorithm goes like this: do the right hand move and then do a R prime, F, R, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, and then do an R, U, R prime, and then an F prime. Faster would look like this. So the next and the last of the PLLs, so that is the where you have no bar on the top layer and everything is unsolved. Hold it like this. You can do this algorithm from any position on the top layer and do this AL. F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. Faster would look like this. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you will not miss any videos I post and be the first to watch my videos. So if you have any doubts on the Ortega method, comment in the comment section below. Like the video and share. Thanks for watching. See you all guys in my next video. Till then, happy cubing.